Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily manage set line settings and the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go to function settings and then select send. After you select send, go to fax settings right at the bottom here. And now we need to scroll down until we see the set line. And as you guys can see here, we can register our unit telephone number. We can also register our unit name and select the line type. So as you guys can see here, we can change our phone number. Then we can just click on apply. And here we have the register unit name. So here we can also change it. For an example, let's click on apply. And here we have select line type. So we can change it to pulse or tone depending on our preference. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.